Hello, welcome to Virgo, Philippines. So, ito po yung reading natin for Virgo, summarizing Venus and Jupiter Virgos. Let's start the reading. This is general love reading. So, mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang. Start na natin. This is for the sign of Virgo, summarizing Venus, Jupiter, and Virgo. General love reading for Virgo. Isang shuffle na lang, tapos simulan na natin. Thank you, Spirit guides, angel guides. Let's start. We do have here the Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. Kuha pa ka isang card. Queen of Swords. Okay. I can see the Queen of Swords. Actually, this is an air sign. Pero, nakukuha ko yung energy ng Virgo dito. Yeah. And, I don't know why. Maybe meron kang air sign sa iyong chart. Okay, check mo ang iyong natal chart. Anyway, kunin ko na rin yung energy ng person na kakonect mo, ha? Para tuloy-tuloy tayo. And then, yung situation sa inyong dalawa. Okay. You do have the Ten of Pentacles, the Magician, Five of Cups, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Ano yung situation sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito? One more card. You do have your grip and pressure cooker. Okay. Sa energy mo dito, you look so professional. So, I don't know kung ang style mo ba talaga pag nagbihis ka, nagdamit ka, or, you know, when you go out with your friends, you want to be someone who looks professional or medyo, hindi naman conservative, but rather smart looking. Well, you know, Virgos are like that naman talaga. Pero, kung hindi man ganun, you would like to show yourself as someone na sophisticated or, you know, yung hindi, maybe someone na parang naka-uniform lagi, ganon. Or maybe you're always in uniform. Pwedeng sa damit mo, parang laging ganun yung gusto mo suot. Diba? Parang in tendency, nagiging ganun na yung uniform mo. Or, anyway. Some of you want to look rich. Or, kung magbihis ka, hindi naman yung rich na in a way na parang gusto mo may mga brand. Pero, yun nga, pwedeng gusto mo ang tingin sa'yo ng tao. Karespeto, smart, and maybe that is also what you look for pagdating sa person or sa mga nakakarelasyon mo. No? Tinatry mong baguhin sila or sabihin sa kanila na ganito, ganyan, mas okay sa'yo yung ganito, mas okay sa'yo yung ganyan, ganyan. And I can see a lot of admirers here because of how you show yourself to people. Yeah. Lalo na kung ikaw ay literal na Virgo na may kaya or talagang maybe you own a business or maybe you are very professional, meron ka ng mga achievements. awards, yan. And talagang literal na maraming uma-admire sa'yo. I can also see here a person na pwedeng, hindi ko naman nakikitang hard ka sa sarili mo, but maybe may mga pagtitiis kang ginagawa sa sarili mo in order for you na ma-achieve or maging maganda sa mata ng iba. For example, yung iba sa inyo, you might be the person na nagsusuot ng corset or you look so neat. Okay? Anyway, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate dun sa kasuotan na yon na binanggit ko, no, na clean looking, neat looking, maybe you do have other placements in your chart. No, maybe iba yung sun, especially yung sun and rising mo sa natal chart. Yeah. Anyway, isingit ko lang, if you would like to know more about astrology or kung compatible ba kayo ng person mo, dun sa aking TikTok shop, makaka-avail ka na ng actually, it's an evil eye bracelet. It's braided, pero naka-sale ako ngayon na worth $299 lang siya. Pero titignan na natin yung charts ninyo ng person mo at ikaw kung compatible ba kayo. Yeah. So I can give you better guidance. Okay, astrology yon. Now, balik tayo sa reading. Sinabi ko lang. Ace of Pentacles, there's a new beginning for you here. And nakikita natin ito as a new beginning na pwedeng mag-benefit ka dito. You really do like this new beginning. Hindi ito new beginning na basta lang ibinigay, pinakita sa'yo ganito. It's a new beginning na gusto mo rin talaga. And with the Queen of Swords, this is someone who is very knowledgeable, very professional. So, pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa mag-gain ka ng knowledge. Pwedeng mag-gain ka rin dito ng awards and something na makakatulong sa'yo professionally. Okay? Pagdating sa person mo, you could be dealing with a person who is, has a lot of money, maybe galing din siya sa pamilyang okay, maganda rin ang family background, and the Magician is here. This is a person who is medyo pagdating dito sa part na ito, medyo maganda yung family niya, no? Pero pwedeng siya yung tipo ng taong the energy is parang mas pinili niyang mag-work or mangamuhan or magtrabaho sa iba, or maybe yung stability niya kasi hindi siya masyadong sure about doon sa finances ng kanyang pamilya, or maybe galing siya sa maayos na pamilya but then hindi niya yun nakikita as something na maybe nakikita niya but not for now, no? And anyway, the Five of Cups, this person is really sad right now. Nakikita natin yan, especially with the Four of Wands, kung ano man itong something na stable sa buhay niya ngayon. Malungkot siya dito, nasasaktan siya. Hinahanapan niya ito ng halaga. Hinahanapan niya ito ng something na parang I feel like nag-hold on siya dito kasi feeling niya importante to, kailangan to. Pero I feel like yung person mo is napipilitan or hindi siya masaya dito sa kung ano man ito. You do have your pressure cooker and grip. This is actually, with the grip, is a very balanced energy. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito, you could be dealing with the person na parang, and also I can see Leo energy with the Strength card. Nakikita ko dito yung word na chain. So, maybe may connection sa inyo ng person na ito. Like a chain No, katulad ng isang, I don't know the Tagalog of chain kasi. Pero it's something na parang hindi mo basta mabibreak or matatanggal, 'di ba? So may chain sa inyo nitong person nito, hindi siya basta-basta matatanggal. And medyo may mga nagpapahirap sa connection na ito para tuluyan kang makawala, or maybe I feel like it is impossible talaga na alisan. And you do have your pressure cooker, so there's a lot of passion na nakikita tayo sa isa't isa dito. And dito sa bottom of the deck, there's negotiator, and nakikita tayo ng fire and water. So I don't know, it feels like an energy of a twin flame for some of you. Medyo weird itong part na ito kasi hindi naman talaga match ang water and fire, no? But the way I see this, pwedeng somehow kailangan ninyo ang isa't isa. Parang ganon. Or may mga times na kailangan pa rin ang isa't isa, ganon. Anyway. But something in this connection, especially from your part, na parang pwedeng hindi ka na sure about it sa person na to, or hindi mo na alam kung anong ibibigay mo dito sa person na to, anong i-offer mo, or anong sabihin mo. What will happen here in the I know, emotions muna tayo. Emotions sa isa't isa. Three of Swords, Page of Swords. You do have the Four of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. Clarify the Three of Swords and the Page of Swords. You do have the Three of Cups and the Nine of Wands. Clarify the Four of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. Eight of Swords and the Page of Wands. Two of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Tapos kunin natin yung mutual energy for the sign of Virgo. Okay. Ascension, Verge, and Intervention. Okay. Ito yung actually nakita ko kanina. It's like, di ba pinakita ko sa'yo yung fire and water. So, it's like, kumbaga kailangan pa rin ng tubig ang apoy para kumulo. Okay? So, that's the energy. And about to reveal and confess here. So, I feel like there's something in the connection na nagiging dahilan ng spiritual awakening. Spiritual awakening. And you do have your intervention. Ngayon, hindi ito nakafocus sa emotions ninyo. Itong nakita natin ditong set of cards. But rather, ano ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon? Kumbaga, i-explain natin yan. Kasi the way I see this, some of you, pwedeng nagkaroon ng time na gustong-gustong makipag-connect or makipag-reunite, makipag-reconcile. And then, pwedeng yung isa is not ready for it. And then the other one naman is pwedeng dumating din naman yung time na parang siya yung gusto niya makipag-connect or what do you call this, makipag-communicate, but then pwedeng something is stopping this person para gawin yon. Ngayon, especially kung ang connection ninyo ay may mga third party na involved, no? And I don't know kung kaninong part yon, kaninong side yon, but I feel like yung let's call that person, other person, karmic person. Okay? Kasi yung iba nga, twin flame connection ito, no? Especially with the Two of Pentacles, no? This is showing to me like magnets. So, anyway, ganito, yung karmic person or karma sa buhay natin, no, karmic relationship, kailangan pa rin yun eh. No? Hindi mo pwedeng pilitin na let's say, kinabukasan, kayo na agad nitong twin flame mo na ito, nitong person mo na ito, nitong soulmate mo na ito. May karma at karma pa rin dadating. And, kailangan yun in order for you to grow spiritually. Okay? So, for example, kasi hindi ko masabi ko sa side niya or sa side mo ang third party, but anyway, for example, this is on your side. Okay? Wala ka kung nasaan ka ngayon kung hindi dahil doon sa karmic person mo. Hindi mo maaabot yung mga bagay na naabot mo na ngayon kung hindi dahil doon sa person na ito. At may mga bagay kang natutunan na may malaki pa rin ang iniambag ng karmic relationship na ito sa'yo. Okay? Nagigets mo yon. And pwedeng ang karmic relationship na ito ang makakapagpagising sa iyo sa connection ninyo. Okay? Now, that is the energy here. So, medyo mahirap yung situation. Pero yung iba pwedeng hindi ka naman na gano'n nahihirapan. Pwedeng nakita mo na kung ano yung ganda ng connection. But, I feel like sa ngayon, yung person na ito is maybe, siya yung humaharap ngayon sa kanyang karmic lessons. And, meron siya mga plano with regards to money, with regards sa mga naipon niya. And with the Eight of Swords, pwedeng hindi niya magawaan or hindi niya malagay sa action itong mga plano na ito sa ngayon. Okay? And, maybe it's some kind of offer, no? Maybe business offer or whatever, but there's a plano na hindi niya ma-actionan dahil may mga ibang involved dito. No, kumbaga hindi siya pwedeng basta umaksyon sa isang bagay na pinlano niya, no? Nang hindi niya pa nakakausap yung ibang mga taong involved. Okay, let's move on to your future reading. For your future reading, the High Priestess, the Ace of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Okay. And then our future. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo, you do have your Lovers, the Queen of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, and the Strength card. Okay, mutual energy. Mutual energy in the near future. Okay. Love affair is here and happiness. Okay. I-clarify ko lang kung ano yung meron dito sa Page of Cups, dito sa side mo. Bago ko, I will be using a different card for this. For the sign of Virgo, you do have here the Four of Cups, the Fool, Knight of Wands, and kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Hindi ko ito kukunin masyadong marami. Isa pa. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Wands. Meron ditong the Emperor, King of Cups, and the Knight of Coins. Okay. The way I see this in the future, medyo may energy dito that na pwedeng mag-focus ka sa something na may kinalaman sa usaping spiritual. Ayan. And I can see you loving yourself, your purpose. Pwedeng ganun. And with the Page of Cups, nakita tayo ng mga possible actions in the future coming from you papunta dito sa person na ito. Okay? But, medyo mahihirapan kang makausap or makakonect itong person na to because of the third party na involved dito. You do have your love affair and happiness. Especially if you see this person na parang masaya na siya. The Lovers is here, and the Queen of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. Hindi ko sinasabing masaya na siya ha. Kung ito ang perspective mo, kung ang tingin mo, itong taong ito ay masaya na doon sa person niya, might be this is your reading. Diba? Pero kung feeling mo, malungkot siya doon sa person niya, medyo, I can see na pwedeng maglaylo ka ng konti. Okay? The Lovers is here, so nasa na ba tayo? Okay. May nakikita tayo na parang there's always a reason for this person na parang maging cold or pwedeng ipagtabuyan ka nga or hindi masyadong makipag-connect because there's a third party, especially nga kung alam mo na siya ay masaya na. You do have a tragedy and insatiable. So this is being cold and forbidden love, and this is your person na pwedeng mabaliwala yung effort mo kung ikaw ay magagawa ng action dito sa person to. So medyo maglaylo ka, no? You do have the Star and the Devil. Okay? Ito yung connection ninyong dalawa ngayon. Or in the future, rather. With the Star and the Devil, you want something na pwedeng hindi pwede or mali. And ganun din naman yung energy ng person na ito. So, ang tendency dito, you need to, with the Four of Swords, accept, no? I-accept mo lang muna yung sarili mo na ikaw na lang muna mag-isa. If you're dealing with a twin flame or soulmate, ang pinaka goal dapat is just enjoy your life. And kung you feel like merong kang mga dapat malaman spiritually or i-grow spiritually sa sarili mo, focus on that. Makikita mo dito yung babaeng dito sa Four of Swords is like babaeng biyuda, no? Ano ba ang perspective or ano ba ang ginagawa, ang actions ng babaeng biyuda? 'Di ba sila yung wala silang choice kundi tanggapin. Wala silang choice kundi i-let go. Wala silang choice kundi mabuhay, ituloy ang buhay nang wala yung person nila. No? And this is what you should be doing in the future. No? And ito yung advice kasi sa'yo. The Four of Cups. I feel like there's opportunities or mga bagay na dadating pa sa'yo na parang hindi pa ito yung tamang time na yung person mo bumalik sa buhay mo dahil may mga dadating pa sa buhay mo na pwedeng kailangan mo munang pagtuunan ng pansin. And hindi dapat itong person na ito yung priority mo, or hindi yung connection ninyo yung dapat ginugrow mo, but rather, whatever this new beginning, pwedeng sa sarili mo, within yourself, or whatever you're building here with the Emperor, kung ano man itong binubuo mo, ito dapat yung pagfokusan mo. You do have your Knight of Wands, so you have to take actions dito sa mga bagay with the King of Cups na mahalaga or importante or mahal mo. Okay? Not necessarily itong person to, of course, you do love this person for some of you, but with the Knight of Coins, nakikita natin ito as mga opportunities. You want to see yourself grow. You want to see yourself na maging successful. So, you need to focus on that. Ha? Huwag mo na pagtuunan ng pansin itong person na ito dahil nakikita natin na hindi pa siya ready, and may mga lessons, karmic lessons pa siyang dapat pagdaanan. Okay? I do feel like meron talagang connections in spiritual connection, pero it's not now, is not yet the right time. The near future is not yet the right time because kailangan nyo munang mag-focus sa sarili mo. Okay? And siya naman, kailangan niya munang maranasan, ma-experience kung ano yung karmic lesson para matutunan niya yung mga bagay niya ding dapat matutunan. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.